No, no, no. Okay, she's nesting here, but instead of putting it in the nest box, she's putting it here in the corner of the cage. So that's so far, and I can't convince her to go the other way. So, you know, what do we do? The only thing I can hope is that she makes a good nest, pulls the fur here, and then when she has them, I can get down here and get them into the nest box and see what happens. You are a silly girl. Yeah, I wish you could see what she's doing here. Let's see. Okay. Oh, she's watching me. She's my pretty blue girl. Yeah, she's just... And everybody else is upset because I'm in here right now. I'm not feeding them. Especially the mini Rex. So I don't know if I should come down here every couple hours through the night or just let her do her thing. And maybe I should turn the fan off here, turn it down so it's not blowing quite up in here so the kids won't get cold. You gotta pull fur too, sweetie. Okay, I'm gonna close the door. Maybe that's making her nervous. Okay. Okay, there you go. How's that, huh? Huh? Okay, we're moving here. See, I'm trying to get it. There we go, I think. Okay. I'm not sure how long I have on this. Let's see. Go down a little further still. This big old, I don't know where the shade is coming from. I don't know if you can see her color. She's just a very pretty doe. Hopefully this is a rabbit in labor. Hey, there. This is her brother. This is her brother. Hi there. How's the boy? Huh? Yeah, how's the boy? Oh yeah, he's gonna hide. This is her brother too. He's a black guy. I don't know if you can see him too well. Hey there. Hi there. Oh, just a good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. Yeah. Yeah, he's a good boy. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna close that door. Hi there. This is a mini Rex. Here we go. She's collecting hay again, or straw. Okay, she's going. See, she's taking it out of the nest box. Now look at her go. Okay, those little white marks you see in there are the bars of, see, there's a bald spot on it. It looks like she might have started to pull fur. I hope. Yeah, looks like she's getting ready. Oh yeah, she's definitely in labor. Definitely in labor. You know what, sweetie? I'm going to leave. let you do your thing. I think she's having a baby, but I can't tell. Okay. Okay, we're going to leave.